Hey Brian Bingles, it's Miss Mars here again in my classroom. And today, we're going to sing a nursery rhyme that you may be familiar with. Now, when I sing this nursery rhyme, I like to sing it with a lot of enthusiasm and happiness, even though this nursery rhyme, it's not so happy. In fact, we're going to be singing about a city that's on fire. So would you be my echo? Echo Miss Mars, me first, then you. 1 and 2 and here I go. Scotland's burning, Scotland's burning. Look out, look out. Fire, 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 fire. Pour on water, pour on water. How'd you do? But you know what? Those words, Scotland's burning, look out, fire, pour on water. Yeah, that doesn't sound so happy, does it? But this song, Scotland's Burning, is actually about the Great Fire of London in 1666. Now, during this time, there was a fire that raged on for 5 whole days, destroying the city of London. And it took all of their resources, all of their friends, all of their families to come and help put out that fire. So today we're going to sing for those friends that helped. So me first again, then you. But I'm going to add something to my song, and I wonder if you can figure it out. What did Miss Mars add? Me first, then you. 1 and 2 and I am first. Scotland's burning, Scotland's burning. Look out, look out. Fire, 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 fire. Pour on water, pour on water. Did you see what I did? On fire, we're going to alert everybody that there's a fire. So I want to see fire hands, fire hands. All right, so now you're in charge of fire hands, and you're going to repeat after me and see if you can figure out what else am I adding. Me first, then you. 1 and 2 and here I go. Scotland's burning, Scotland's burning. Look out, look out. Fire, 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 fire. Pour on water, pour on water. Did you see what I add? I added my hands. We're going to look out. On the words look out, let's look out for that fire. So now we have look out and we have fire. But I'm going to add something else, so good luck. See if you can figure it out. Me first and here I go. Scotland's burning, Scotland's burning. Look out, look out. Fire, 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 fire. Pour on water, pour on water. If you poured on water, and I like to put my pinky out because I'm fancy, especially in London. We're fancy in London. So I'm going to pour out my little cup of water all over that fire so that way we can help those friends. Here we go. One more. Let's see if you can figure out what Miss Mars does. Here she goes. Me first, then you. Scotland's burning, Scotland's burning. Look out, look out. Fire, 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 fire. Pour on water, pour on water. Did you see at the beginning how much fun I had? Because Scotland's burning, we're going to just do a little dance back and forth. Scotland's burning. All right, now you're in charge of Scotland's burning. Look out. Fire. And pour on water. I hope you can do it. Echo Miss Mars, and then I'll have you join me in just a second. Here we go. Me first, Then you help me out with those actions. 1 and 2 and I am first. Scotland's burning, Scotland's burning. Look out, look out. Fire, 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 fire. Pour on water, pour on water. How'd you do? Okay, this time you're going to sing it with Miss Mars and see if you can do all of the actions and say those and sing those words. Here we go. Look really happy. Here we go. Scotland's burning. Scotland's burning. Look out. Look out. Fire, 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 fire. Pour on water. Pour on water. Now that was pretty good. But remember how excited we're supposed to be? That Scotland's on fire. Remember that part? Okay, let's see if we can add even more enthusiasm this time. Here we go. Big smile on your face. Let's make everybody as happy as they can be. Here we go. Sing for all of those helpers that put out that fire. 1 and 2 and here we go. Scotland's burning, Scotland's burning. Look out, look out. Fire, 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 fire. Pour on water, pour on water. How'd you do? You know what? That reminds me of some other nursery rhymes that they sound really happy and exciting, but when I think about those words, maybe they're not so happy as I thought. Maybe you could come up with some nursery rhymes that match our Scotland's Burning song. The words don't match the tune, does it? So let's see what you can come up with, and I'll see you next week.